So here's a quick tip to make your writing more accessible, make your writing more clear. And it's very, very simple. Just keep coming back to the same thing that you talked about at the beginning. It's okay if you actually repeat the same word, the same concepts over and over and over again. It takes a long time for people to absorb this information that you're trying to provide. And so this repetition of you keep coming back to the same concept is really, really important. So you might actually have an example, and then you come back to the same concept that you were talking about at the very beginning, and you're always coming back to it, repeating the same things over and over and over again. And I know that seems counterintuitive because you think, I don't want to be boring, but boring is actually really good. In my experience, the plainer it is, the better off that your writing is actually going to be. And we have this tendency to go into all these different directions, just keep coming back to the same message over and over again. And if you do that, where you say something, you say a particular concept, and then you come back to the same message over and over and over again, somehow it sticks in our mind. And so what I will do is have the general thesis of what I am saying up front, and then I'll go back to what I'm saying over and over and over again. And I repeat that constantly. For some reason, it sticks, it does a better job, and it's the easiest way to make our writing more clear, make our writing more consistent, is to come back to that general concept over and over and over again. So in science and research, there are usually two things that you're investigating: the dependent variable and the independent variable. Whatever those things are, and looking at the relationship between the two, then what you want to do is keep coming back to the independent variable and dependent variable over and over and over again. You can see him repeating this because it allows you to stick in your mind this idea of coming back to the main thesis over and over and over again. The whole thing is repetition whenever you're writing something. And what will happen is, as you write this, you'll realize, and you reread it again, you'll realize that there is some repetition, and it's okay to adjust and change some of the language then. But when you're writing it initially, always keep coming back to that same core idea over and over again. All right, take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye.